Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Vidhan. Finally, allotment for Cap Round 1 is out, and we are very excited to announce that quite a few students of the top percentile have gotten into JBIMS and SIDNAM. We'll be soon making a video on that as well and announcing. But there's one more notice which has been released by JBIMS, especially for all the students who have gotten into JBIMS. This is regarding the fee and the process of submitting the documents and paying the fee. So, guys, जैसे कि अभी कैप राउंड वन का allotment आ गया है, so JBIMS has asked that whoever has been allotted seats to come to JBIMS between 1st and 3rd of August. Between this date, you'll have to go to JBIMS between 10 a.m. and 5 p.m., especially for all the submission of relevant documents. जो DT information brochure में mention किया हुआ था, and you also have to get the duly filled admission form and all the scanned copies of all the certificates in PDF format. Trust me, guys, it will be a very exciting moment for you all, especially the ones who've gotten into JBMS. The first time when you get into JBMS in those gates and know that you finally made it to JBMS, the feeling is very, very unreal. You feel as if you've made it in your life, and बस यही चाहिए था. The moment is surreal. Uh, Even when you reach the Churchgate station या CST station, when you'll be taking a cab to JBIMS, पूरा 2-4 मिनट का भी जो journey है, it'll be like a dream come true. So do it for having that smile, even when you look at this notice that you have to go to JBIMS to pay the fee and submit the documents. So for that also, we'll be coming up with a new batch for CD26. And for whatever information you want regarding that, you can text us on the phone number which has been put in the description. You can call us also, or you can text us on Instagram also. So moving forward, there's one more reason why I've made this video is that many students keep asking me what is the fee for JBIMS, and मैं उनको बताता हूँ, but again, I want them to believe what I'm saying, and which is why this document is an example for that. Because there are many classes and many websites which show different fees. कोई बोलते हैं 6 लाख है, कोई बोलते हैं 7 लाख है, कोई बोलते हैं 9 लाख है. So I didn't want that to happen, and which is why I'm making a video on this. So as you can see, एक साल का open category के लिए fee is 4.22 lakh rupees. So 2 साल के लिए approximately 8.5 लाख पकड़ लो तुम. For category students, it's 1.7 lakh for a year. एंड उसके नीचे तुमको जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए अदर देन दैट, whenever you're going to JBIMS, you can talk to the faculty over there, you can talk to the people who would be helping you with admissions and taking the fee and submitting the documents. Are very helpful, and they guide you with every step. This video was mainly to show you that the fee of JBIMS has been increased to 8.5 lakh. हमारे टाइम पे 6 लाख रुपए था. उसके बाद बढ़ा है, it's 8.5 lakh rupees. So yeah, guys, this is what I wanted to tell you all. For whatever other information regarding any entrance exam, you can talk to us, you can text us, and we'll be there for you. Thank you so much, guys, for watching the video. Thank you so much.